Day 11 vlog. Ronnie is here. La, Aliyah. We all going to take the rent a car. We have a long trip to go. Yeah.
Very good arrangement, huh? Should arrange my videos also with my FIFA.
Yeah. Every day something. Just go something every day.
Tanong mo dyan sa kanya, kilala mo si Maulana? Sabi mo, intel mo yun dyan. Sabi mo, Liam's mother is asking only for a shirt. Is that for YouTube? Last night, you did? Ito yung place na ginasabi ni Auntie, oh.
So these roads, if you're driving, you can go only 40 kilometers per hour. If you exceed that, if the law enforcement will catch you, you have to pay 500 real. I mean, it's 500 peso as a penalty, and you have to pay that in the office. Sometimes they give you points also, no? They take your confiscate your license.
Yes, yes.
Seminar also they are doing.
Yes, yes.
The rules and regulations, which is good, which is very good. Thing for you.
Now what is importation is a good policy.
We are here to take the rental car.
Video for the car.
Yeah. So we have to inform him. No?
Ayo!
So we are here at the place where we rent a car. The person said he's gonna come. I think it's parked on that side. I like it. It's very green. Mango tree here. There's a mango tree big. Sour fruit. This car actually we took before, 3 years before. Same car. Same one, yeah.
This is their earning.
Yes, yes, yes.
It will go in 2 days, that's it.
Yes. All of this in my house. Subaru, not good.
What is not very expensive.
Very expensive, very high in gas.
Yeah.
Bago pa man to sa 2 years. Sir, as usual.
Taking the rent a car, big procedures. Oh yeah, very narrow.
Much better just
You took the car and we're coming back home. Leah is sleepy. Going to draw Leila and Dara to the nail shop. Nail salon.
Gising ba si Papa?
I had to get in from here. There. We are going to. So I have parked the car at the top of this mall. It's called Ghee Mall. Leila and Carol is going to do the nails. I saw you outside here. I think it's gonna be raining. Look at the clouds. This is the main entrance, and we are at the 5th floor. And it's raining here. What's it for?
Yes, you know, intestine of the pork.
They have like combo.
Order. Kainit lang. Mag-rice, ma'am.
Dili lang.
Ganda lang, ma'am.
Oo.
So we ordered some tiniguan, which is a pork blood. This one. And what is this?
Chicharong bulaklak.
Chicharon bulaka. And this is a
Pork barbecue.
pork barbecue. And let's try. You happy?
Kasi din sa ano, di ba? School.
After on the right side, you can see a lot of Indian restaurants and groceries and supermarkets and all. We are here to buy ghee. We checked everywhere, like in SM Mall and Abrisa Mall, all the grocery stores and supermarkets, but we couldn't find anything. You can see Indian spices. So we searched in Google and then we found this. This is an Indian grocery store. It is owned by two Punjabis. He has a restaurant also.
Yeah, you have the
side
small
of
one?
this grocery
Oh, this is
store.
a big. इसका छोटा नहीं है? छोटा वाला नहीं? बड़ा है? हाँ, okay.
So we got all the ingredients for making biryani, and now we are going home. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have to travel a bit long, so we have to sleep early. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow.